Now wow, this year flood. See all this my plantain them now. See this already beer. This one done the beer. Flood don't come take them. I go take manage till next year.
70 years old man.
Source of income. I know they like all this kind of thing when they happen now. 2012 when that big flood comes and I take the manage myself before the flood goes.
Is that you?
Baby!
How are you, my love?
I'm not
Come
fine.
closer. What is the problem?
You don't have my time.
Really, baby? Really?
Yes, you are making me feel as if you don't love me.
Then Tiagasa.
Yeah, look, Shay, still watch from my hand.
This man.
If you want to make her they get your time, they go buy me this watch.
70 years old man.
They get your time. So if you buy me this watch, I'm gonna get time to check on you.
Why, baby?
Because who don't get watch, don't get time for nothing.
Then
As you see me, my
Tiagasa.
farm now, they are just they look my farm. So now where are they now? I'm not even happy. I don't get time for girlfriend. See the old compound. See the old compound. See my compound. All my tenants now don't pay me rent.
Very well.
So where I want
You want to
get
see
the time
crazy.
they give you money.
Oh.
Me, I don't want even see
And
you
we're
again. They
evangelism.
go. You be bad luck now.
Stop now.
They go later when the flood don't go. We go settle ourselves.
Baby, nah.
Or you buy me.
Think say they
I
wise.
don't have money.
Then go. Now they look for who get money now because flood don't come.
Now they never leave.
I know this guy, they just
Yeah,
worry somebody
left you.
for life. When flood they worry people say they still want me to get their
We
time.
must
They get
learn
time for
the
flood, they get time for woman. Which I go come get time to rest.